Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing the error log on a PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open System. In System Settings, select the first heading on the left called System Software, and then open Error History. Your recent PS5 errors will be displayed here in a list. You can click on an error to get more information about it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.